Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and app readiness. Update Cronus Zen and install Zen Studio on your PC. Connect an Xbox controller to the Zen to authenticate the console. This makes the Xbox accept input. Once done, plug your keyboard and mouse into the Zen's designated ports and attach the Zen to the Xbox via USB. Make sure USB drivers are installed on PC if you'll program profiles. Doing these first avoids authorization and connection errors later. Now you load a keyboard and mouse profile in Zen Studio and map primary controls. Assign aim, fire, jump, and movement keys. Adjust sensitivity and smoothing, lower smoothing for snappier turns, higher smoothing for stability. Once your mappings look right, save the profile and flash it to the Zen device. Flashing write settings to hardware so Xbox uses them directly. After flashing, test immediately in a private lobby to verify aim, recoil, and macros feel correct before playing publicly. Finish by confirming on-console behavior. Use the Zen buttons to switch profiles and confirm LED indicators match your loaded script. If you see input lag or disconnects, reboot the Zen and reflash the profile. Intermittent USB power or outdated firmware often causes these issues. If the game flags unusual behavior, remove advanced macros and revert to basic key mappings to reduce detection risk. One key troubleshooting tip: if inputs are jittery, lower polling rate and test again. This often fixes responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.